Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing good. For the past few days in the free Telegram channel, I was unable to concentrate much because of my few schedules. Right now, for that reason, I have came up with to share a new complete concept for you, that is a trend trading band. In a simple term, I can call it as a TT band. Very simple. What is this? How I personally use it? What are the benefits of using it? How to look at in charts? How will you personally get all those levels, etc.? Everything I'll be discussing in this entire playlist of video. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, this TT band or a trend trading band is purely price. Okay, nothing else. It's purely the game of price. Sorry. Yes, it's a purely the game of price based levels by which we gonna understand the market trend, the market direction, high probability trades, and many more. So let's get started. So first of all, there are three stages while we are trading in the market. Stage number one is we'll be analyzing things, analyzing the chart, trying to identify important reference level, trying to identify what are the zones where there is some supply or demand, support or resistance, buyers interested or sellers interested zone, whatever. In a simple term, we're gonna understand from where the buyers are trying to defend or they gonna come, or from where the sellers are gonna defend, or from where the sellers are trying to approach the market. So all this first stage is to analyze. Second stage comes the trade plan. Many traders fail to create a trade plan because most traders are dependent on an indicator like, sir, moving average moving up, sir, RSI above 40, sir, RSI above 60, sir, can we shoot and execute the trade? Try to understand this first stage of analysis. Every day we need to analyze the chart, what is happening during market, live market hours. We will be analyzing live based on the current available running auction, running price level. But before that, we should analyze the chart post market to understand the upcoming trading session. What is the zone? How the market can react. So once the analysis is done, we need to create a trade plan. Trade plan means it's not like, sir, this is support level, sir, price comes to this zone and rejects, means I will buy, sir, simply. First of all, understand why this is a support zone. Okay, what this level has made to become as a support zone? Is there any reference level? Minimum you need to check in the chart. Is there any what reference level which is available? Yes, it's good. They you have find a support, and from the support, if next day price comes to the zone and gets a rejection, you are taking a bullish position. That is fantastic, good. But most traders, what they do is simply draw a line like this, some trend line, sir. Here this is trend line, sir. If price breaks, I will buy because this breakout trade, sir, resistance is breaking and price is ready to move up. This is not the way. You are not analyzing, you are just opening the chart, trying to forcing the market to create some pattern, or just blindly drawing one or two line, and then, sir, breakout, sir, will buy, sir, breakdown, sir, we will sell. Here, where is the trend? Important is the trend. If the trend is bearish and you are focusing to trade many bullish breakout trade, then there is a easy chance of what? Losses. That is what we need to analyze and get ready with the trade plan. So earlier on my YouTube channel, I was sharing few trade plans. That was basic level of trade plan sharing. From now, from the next week, probably every day evening, I'll try my best to share various trade plan for the upcoming trading session based on what? Based on this trend trading band and upcoming day. It's not about just aftermarket posting videos. It's not just end of it. Next day, from next week, probably I'll be actively on the Telegram channel, the free Telegram channel. The link is available in the description. You can cross check it. From there, I'll be updating how to use the trade plan shared on the prior day session, one day before or on the last day evening. How to use it, how I personally understand whether how to take trades, how I personally take trades, stage by stage approach we'll be doing it. But remember this trend trading band, very important is you need to understand certain things. It's not like 100% accuracy or what, no sure short, there's nothing in the market. It's all about what we are analyzing, creating plan as per the trend trading brand. Okay, and our my main job is to, based on the band, if the market is supporting the zones, I'll be executing my trades with high risk reward. So minimum I make sure to look at 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 2 kind of a risk reward, because in trading it's all about probability. There is nothing called you'll be next 100 trades you will not face any losses, because trading is a business. Losses will come, but how small we are making, make sure to make it smaller based on this two simple statement: plan your trade and trade the plan. Stay disciplined with strict risk management. In this is a smaller slide with just few words in the screen which you can see, like analyze, get your trade plan ready, execute, and two lines below. But this is real trading. Okay, no point stop jumping from one system to another, or stop jumping from sir today this in this one news channel one analyst came and given buy trade, sir I am buying. Some other WhatsApp group which is giving, sir call giving, sir I am buying, sir I am selling, sir. No, understand what is happening before execute. That is what, stay disciplined with proper risk management. And one more time I'm repeating, plan your trade and trade the plan. Okay, so straight away let's move on to the how. Let's first go how the band looks. First of all, let me talk about a basic of this, and the next video I'll be for explaining you slight in detail about this band. So first of all, this band has three important zones and levels: high, M1 and low. Okay, this entire thing will form an TT band. This entire thing will end up forming an trend trading band. Okay, how to use it, when to use it, how to give importance to it, how I personally take trades based on this, everything, how to use in the candlestick charts. In this entire playlist, watch all the videos in the playlist, you will be understanding how I personally doing it. And obviously every day I will be trying my best to share the trade plan for the upcoming session, and during the live market I'll be throughout showcasing you how to execute those plans, how I personally execute with high risk reward during live markets. Okay, so first of all, for this video, just try to make sure to understand its basic of TT band. What is included in this: high, low, and M1. These are three data points which is included. And in the next video, I'll be discussing more about this band, and in once this playlist goes on, in the end of the playlist also I'll be explaining with the charts etc. in between the playlist video. You can go ahead and watch those all the videos. Okay, meet you all in the next video.